Yakasano, good afternoon. Maruko Mini Baba Marcus Shango Loyin Akin Lama. If you've been following the work that we've been doing here at Ile, you will know that I recently cast Dafa on what our community, which is the members of Ile Akar, Shah, Yoruba, New Orleans, Bugwe, Kawe, Juju Power, Orisha Voodoo Inspired Living Online Success School, all our students, and our beloved circle of New Orleans community members, family members, etc., so forth. Those three entities. What we're looking at collectively down the pike with this Corona season. So we cast sacred Ifa divination, Iranshi Shango divination, and asked Orisha and Ifa what we can expect. And as promised, I said that I would share this with the public. So this is the announcement to tell you that it's going to be released publicly this coming Monday, or Joajay. This month is Agemo, July 13th at high noon here in New Orleans time, CST. And what I'm gonna do is I created a Google Drive link, which is an audio of that full Dafa, that full sacred reading, okay? And I'm gonna post the Google Drive link on the school page at 12 noon, Monday, or Joajay, Monday, July 13th at high noon, okay? All you have to do is log into Patreon, log into our school Juju Power, and you can then get access to the audio link for free. I'm not charging anybody. Okay, this is a collective community service. And I can tell you now that I believe if we follow the wisdom of our Egun, our ancestors, if we follow the wisdom of the Orisha, the Noah, the Nganga, the vast majority of us will get through this. And in about a year's time, we'll probably be looking at another modality, putting some of this in our rear view mirror. But that's not guaranteed. But the reading was in Ire, which means good fortune, alignment, etc., so forth. So I'm not going to go into it now. You will have to log into it if you want to get a little access to it. It's not the most convenient. However, it gives access to people in our community to get it with just a minimal amount of effort. And you know you can't get something for nothing. So with a minimal amount of effort, you can log into our school and you can get it. But not till Monday, July 13th at high noon. Yishubeyo, Egumbeyo. May the divinities and our ancestors carry you far and carry all of we. I wish you all Ire Dodo, Ati Ire Bobo, abundant blessings, good fortunes, and all good things. Remember, we will win. We survived all types of stuff, and we're still here. Oh yeah. And don't forget these. All day, every day.